I'll guide you through how to freeze frame in CapCut PC. First, open CapCut on your computer and click on Create Project. Then click on Import in the top left corner to insert the video you want to edit. Select the video from your files and click Open. Now click the plus icon to add the video to the timeline. Next, drag the playhead in the timeline to the exact section where you want to apply the freeze frame effect. Once you've found the correct frame, click on the video clip to select it. Now click on the freeze option above the timeline. CapCut will instantly create a still image freeze frame at that point in the video. You can also drag the edges of the freeze frame to make the effect longer or shorter. After that, click the play button to preview the result. And that's basically it. You've now successfully created a freeze frame effect in CapCut PC. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more CapCut editing tutorials.